YouTube released automatic dubbing for most channels now, and I'm going to show you how to turn it on. If you have access to it, you no longer need to be in the YouTube partner program of like 1 million subscribers or something to get access to it. All you have to do to turn it on is go into your YouTube studio, go to the settings in the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and go to upload defaults, go to advanced settings, and you should have access to automatic dubbing. Just click enable if you haven't already enabled it yet, and this will turn on allow automatic dubbing, but it'll also turn on manually review before publishing videos. That's what you want, but instead of review in experimental languages, you want to review in all languages. So select that and then click save, and that means any videos that you publish later will be translated to different languages. They'll be dubbed. That's how you turn it on. It's so simple. You don't have to like go to some email to get it. You really just go to your dashboard, go to settings, go to upload defaults, advanced settings, turn it on. Okay, it's so easy.